In today's video, we are going to be doing a review of Grove Collaborative. And if you're not familiar, Grove is a company that sells really a variety of home and personal care products. And really what they focus on is items that are more eco-friendly, more healthy for you, for the environment. At this point, I have spent close to $2,000 on Grove. I calculated all my orders over the last 2 years. I have made 17 orders as of this moment, so I feel like I can really share my experience with this company. Let's get into it. So anyone can shop directly from Grove's website. They have free shipping over $49. However, if you do plan on shopping more frequently, they have what's called a VIP program. And essentially with that program, you get access to free shipping over $29 instead of $49. You also get full-size gifts, early access to new products, and different sales, and things like that. Personally, I think it is worth it to do the VIP program. It's only $19.99 per year. So the free shipping you can make back with 4 orders. And the gifts with purchase are honestly really good. Like some of my favorite items that I've gotten from Grove, I was introduced to through these like free gifts that I got with purchase. But if you want to try out Grove without the service, you can just order directly from their website. And they're actually recently became available in Target stores as well. So you can buy some of their most popular products there if you're on the fence and you want to try it out first before committing to the subscription. And this is completely a non-sponsored video. As I mentioned, I've purchased all of these items myself. However, I do have an affiliate link that will give you a discount. It also gives me a small commission if you use that link. Feel free to check that out down below. Let's continue. If you're ordering from the website, Grove delivers pretty much everything with paper packaging and paper fillers inside of the boxes, which definitely goes towards their environmental mission. They also always write these really nice little messages on the box, which I think is really sweet. So I haven't really had any problems with the delivery. The only thing to note is at this point, they only do ship to the contiguous United States. So they don't ship to Alaska, Hawaii, or anywhere international outside of the US. So that's the biggest negative I would say about the shipping. One of the biggest selling points to Grove is their commitment to the environment and reducing plastic. So their aim is to be plastic free by 2025. And I've seen a lot of companies make environmental claims or promises, but Grove really seems to be putting their money where their mouth is. And even as a customer for only a few years, I have noticed personally really big changes in this department. For example, their soap refills used to be in plastic bags basically, and now they're in aluminum cans. So it's really nice to see that, and I definitely think that's a huge pro of Grove. So now let's talk about Grove's prices, because to be honest, this is really one of the areas where I feel like Grove is not necessarily the best option out there. When it comes to Grove branded products, for the most part, I found the prices to be completely reasonable. So for example, this cleaner concentrate, they sell a 2-pack for $6.95. So it's about $3.50 per spray bottle refill. Obviously, you do have to buy the bottle to begin with as an initial investment, but again, I think that's worth it, especially for something that you're going to use every day, like a cleaner spray. However, I did do a little bit more investigation into the name brand products, and to be honest, I found most of them for cheaper on Amazon. So for example, I looked at this Arm & Hammer baking soda. On Grove, it was $1.59. On Amazon, this same 16-ounce box was only 89 cents. I next looked at this Acne Dote face wash, which is 8 ounces. Grove was selling it for $9.79. Amazon had it on sale for only $6.17, so a few dollar savings right there. I looked at this Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. Grove was selling it for $4.29. This one was actually really close in price. Amazon was actually selling it for a little bit more, $4.39. So that was actually a little bit cheaper from Grove. And then finally, I looked at this Dr. Bronner's 32-ounce soap, and Grove was selling it for $18.19, and Amazon/Whole Foods had it for about $1 less for $17.18. So I would say that's definitely a negative of Grove is you're probably not going to find the best prices for most name brand products other than the Grove branded stuff. However, something really cool that I just found out is that Grove actually does price match. So if you do find a cheaper price somewhere else, technically you can submit that price to them and they will price match for you. And personally, I've never tried this out. I just found out about this today, so I don't really know how well it works, if they're kind of sticklers about things, or if they're pretty, accommodating if you find something another price. But this might be, an easy way to save a few dollars here and there. So keep that in mind. I've tried so many different products from Grove that it's really hard to walk through everything, but let me walk through some of my favorites. So I would say as a general rule, my favorite products from Grove are the Grove branded products. I have been really happy with pretty much all of them. The product that I use the most frequently, that I get refills of every single time I do a Grove order, is their cleaner concentrate. They come in these little glass bottles and they sell these refillable glass spray bottles. You fill the spray bottles with water and then add in the cleaner concentrate. I think some of the instructions say that you should put the soap in first and then put the water. Definitely don't do that. It will cause a ton of bubbles and it will be really annoying. So put the water in first. I also have really liked all of their hand soap, and kind of same thing. They sell these soap dispensers and they have little hand soap refills. So tried both the gel soap and the foaming hand soap, and I've personally liked both of them. I also really like their microfiber cloths. I use these all the time. I can't believe that at one point I was using paper towels to clean my counters and stuff. Definitely don't do that. Get some microfiber cloths. Grove has really nice ones. They also have these little hook so you can hang them up. I've also really liked their makeup remover cloths. I just started using these pretty recently. I got them as actually a free product from Grove, and since then I've bought 4 of them because I really like them. They work super well. And I've also just gotten a ton of non-Grove branded stuff over the years. I've gotten shampoo, tampons, face wash, and for the most part I've been pretty happy with it, but there's been a few misses for sure. So on that note, let me walk through some of my least favorite things I've gotten from Grove. So the category of things where I've had the worst luck is probably with the makeup, like this blush that I can put 4 pounds of it on my face. You can barely even see it. I got Burt's Bees eyeshadow that literally you cannot see at all. It's the worst eyeshadow I've ever tried. And I think there's been a few other makeup items like that. I have had some good luck with makeup. I really like this nail polish. I've gotten some lipstick that I really like, but it's a little bit hit or miss with those other brands. So I definitely recommend looking at the reviews for those individual products for sure. So all of that being said, would I recommend Grove? I would definitely recommend it. And the reason for that is, number one, I think their private label exclusive products are honestly really good. I think they have a whole system that just works together. Not only does it feel good for the environment, but I think that the products legitimately work. I like them. I think they have so many nice products that you really can't get anywhere else. So ultimately, I would recommend Grove. And if you do want to try it out for yourself, check out my description box down below. That being said, of course, there are some problems with the service. It's not a one-stop shop for everything. And there are some little annoyances that I have come to find with Grove, but for me, the positives definitely outweigh the negatives. So yeah, if you've tried out Grove, let me know down in the comments. I would love to know your experience. And if you want to see more reviews from me every week, then subscribe for more. And until next time, bye.